Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Oxford Road. So we're turning left onto Oxford Road now. We just came off Knutsford Boulevard and we are on Oxford Road heading towards Old Hope Road. So on the left is the Pegasus Hotel, where the video started. That building straight ahead was the Development Bank of Jamaica, or DBJ. Now on the left, this building used to be the US Embassy in Jamaica, but they built a new facility in Ligani and moved from here up to Ligani. So on the right now is a Hyundai dealership. It's called Magnum Motors. And you have a lot of car dealerships on Oxford Road. This is part of New Kingston, and that's a massive building being built on the left. Okay, so on the left now is the NCB branch. They used to have a branch and in the towers, those tall buildings down there, but they closed that one. That used to be the Oxford Road branch, and they moved it up to this new facility. Okay, so on the right is the ATL Automotive Group, and they're building a new building over there, and they're going to house the Porsche dealership over there. On the right is the Audi dealership, and then beside that is the Kia dealership. And somewhere down here on the right is where they're going to be building the Ascent. I haven't really figured it out yet, but this is the address for the Ascent. So they haven't stopped broken ground yet, so we'll wait and see what's happening, but it should be somewhere on the right. So I'm assuming they're going to tear down some buildings to build that massive structure, but we'll keep you guys updated as things progress. Okay, so we turn right here. We'll take Old Hope Road down to Crossroads, turn left at the light. We take Old Hope Road down to, or up to the Ligani area, and we went straight across. So we are now on Tom Redcombe Drive, and this road will take us into the Crossroads area. We're going to turn left here and go on to Arthur. No, we're not going to, because they have the JLP conference at the arena today, so that road is going to be congested with traffic, and there's so much lawlessness that accompanies these let's leave that alone. But the road might be blocked because persons will just park anywhere, so we're not going on that road. So we're staying on Tom Redcombe Road and heading towards South Camp Road. So on the left now is the JDF military base, the Jamaica Defence Force base. It's the Up Park Camp, that's the name of the base, and this is the largest military base in Jamaica. Now we have videos up of touring the actual base, so you can take a look at those videos. And a new gate was recently built to accommodate persons entering and leaving the base, and it's called the Cannonball Gate, and that's where you enter on the left. We have a lot of videos up at the gate, so you can check it out on the channel. But we're staying on South Camp Road. Sorry, not South Camp Road, Camp Road. A lot of persons make that mistake, so let's get it straight. This is Camp Road. When we pass over the stoplight, we go on to South Camp Road. Now the most popular location on Camp Road is Up Park Camp. And second would be this facility on the left, which is Hammond Barracks for the Jamaican Police Force, or the Jamaica Constabulary Force. And then as we cross over this light now, we're going to go on to South Camp Road. And South Camp Road, the most popular place is Sabina Park, which is the largest cricket grounds in Jamaica. And also you have a lot of car dealerships on this road too. So you have a few on Oxford Road, and then now you have some more on South Camp Road, and then you have even more on Spanish Town Road. Alright, so we're going to go on to South Camp Road now. There's a budget car rental place, which is a very weird place for a car rental. So you have the Mercedes-Benz dealership, Silver Star Motors on the right. Then you have the Mitsubishi Motors, which is Stewart's Auto Sales on the right. And then you have the Suzuki dealership, which is also Stewart's Auto Sales on the right. And then straight ahead, that building to the little right where you see the lights, that's Sabina Park. That intersection we just crossed over is North Street, and that will take us back into the downtown Kingston area. And it also has two very popular schools on it, St. George's College and Kingston College. On the left is the main sorting office for the Jamaica Postal Service. So all the mail coming into the country goes over here first to get sorted, and all the mail that's going out of the country also goes over there. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.